Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 29th, 2024, and we're diving into Hubbell's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Hubbell's performance today.
Healing. Let's start with a brief introduction. Hubbell is a leading manufacturer of utility and electrical solutions, and they have just released their third quarter results. John, what are your initial thoughts on the report?
Hubbell has shown a strong performance this quarter, with significant improvements in operating margins and earnings per share. It's clear that their strategic initiatives are paying off, especially in their utility solutions segment.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Hubbell reported net sales of $1.44 billion for the third quarter, which is a 5% increase year over year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The increase in net sales is primarily driven by acquisitions, which contributed a 6% growth, while organic sales saw a slight decline of 1%. Despite this, the company managed to achieve a diluted EPS of 4.05 cents with an adjusted EPS of 4.49, marking a 14% increase from last year.
That's impressive. How did they manage to improve their profitability?
The key factor here is the operating margin, which expanded to 21.1%, with an adjusted margin of 23.2%. This improvement is largely due to effective cost management and operational efficiencies, which have allowed Hubbell to maintain strong profitability despite the challenges in the telecom markets.
Segment performance analysis. Let's delve into the segment performance. The Utility Solutions segment saw an 11% increase in net sales. What drove this growth, John?
The growth in the Utility Solutions segment was primarily driven by acquisitions, which added 15% to the sales. The segment also benefited from strong demand in grid infrastructure and automation markets, which offset the decline in telecom-related products.
And what about the Electrical Solutions segment, which saw a decline in sales?
The Electrical Solutions segment experienced a 5% decline in net sales, mainly due to a divestiture that reduced sales by 8%. However, the segment still managed to improve its operating margin to 18.3%, thanks to volume growth and effective price management.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Looking ahead, Hubbell has raised its adjusted EPS outlook for 2024. What are the key drivers behind this optimistic forecast?
Hubbell is expecting a strong finish to the year, with an adjusted EPS outlook of 16.35 to 16.55 cents. This is supported by their strategic focus on grid modernization and electrification, which are expected to drive long-term growth. Additionally, they anticipate a 6% total sales growth for the year.
And how is their cash flow situation looking?
Hubbell is targeting a free cash flow of approximately $800 million for the full year. This robust cash flow will provide them with the flexibility to invest in growth opportunities and further strengthen their balance sheet.
Leadership insights and market position. Let's talk about the insights from Hubbell's leadership. What did CEO Gerben Bakker highlight in the earnings call?
CEO Gerben Bakker emphasized the company's strong position in the utility solutions market, particularly as grid modernization and electrification trends accelerate. He also acknowledged the challenges in the telecom market, but expressed confidence in Hubbell's ability to navigate these headwinds through strategic investments and operational efficiencies.
It sounds like Hubbell is well positioned for future growth. How do you see their market position evolving?
Hubbell is uniquely positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for reliable and efficient utility solutions. Their focus on innovation and strategic acquisitions will likely continue to strengthen their market position and drive differentiated long-term performance.
Key takeaways. In summary, Hubbell has delivered a strong third quarter with impressive growth in earnings and operating margins. Their strategic focus on grid modernization and electrification positions them well for future success. John, any final thoughts?
Hubbell's performance this quarter is a testament to their effective execution and strategic vision. Investors should keep an eye on their continued efforts in operational efficiencies and market expansion.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Hubbell's performance in the comments below. Until next time.